in this YouTube video, we will be doing a tutorial of how to make a paper airplane that flies really far. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And my name is Nicholas. And so, first off, you want to fold it in half like this. Easy, right? Now you want to unfold it. And so this side will be pointing up. And so you want to fold it like this. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't matter if you're perfect or not. Now we'll do it again. And again, you know what to do on the other side. Repeat it again. And now you will be doing the cool stuff. Fold it like this. And now fold it in half like this. Easy. Now you want to line this up right here and make a wing. And do that on the other side. Now, right here, you want to fold up just to make it fly better. And now you do it on the other side. Let's see how it does. That was an accident. It can fly way better than that. This is not flying good, but it can fly way better. Then I'll put this blanket over me so you can't see me. And
Okay, ready, Nick?
And there. That flies pretty good, right?
Yeah.
And that's it for today's video. And hope to see you next time. And bye.